How to log into Bank of America account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Bank of America account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your web browser and simply search for login to Bank of America. After you search for that, here you'll find different options. The first one is to log in into the online banking. So just open that up. And right here, all you now need to do is type in your user ID. So just type in your user ID and then finally your password. To make your login process easier for the future, check this box called Save this user ID, then tap on Login. Then you'll be logged in into your account. If you've forgotten your password, there is also an option to reset your password as well. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.